Wow, that looks freaking cool. Definitely the platform I've been wanting to get. What is happening, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. Well, today I got something special to install on my 3rd gen TL, and I've got my 2010 TL here that's pretty much going back to fully stock. Got my factory catalytic converters in now, and the ported intake manifold is, I'm gonna take that one out. This is ported by NeoFlow. The dude's like a machine specialist, y'all. I got my engine covers here and the stock intake. Go ahead and grab my tool. The summer heat, and with the engine bay temperature so high, I feel the car is just so sluggish with this intake. And just like that, is out. This was my summer setup, and that's my winter setup. We got a connector here, and that's it, guys. I got my K&N air filter in here, so that's pretty nice. No more heat soak. All right, man, it's kind of lifting here because these hoses, I need longer hoses. I'll fix that another day. Let's open up the gift. It's something I bought from my man Peterson. Wow. Oh man, look at that. He boxed it up real good too, man. Look at this steering wheel. It looks amazing. It even comes with the airbag. Boosted UA7 on the Instagram. Thank you, man. Appreciate you, bro. This was definitely a hit. He's got like the fastest TL like in the world, right? Street-wise. He's like making, I think like 690 to the wheels or something. He's parting out his car because, you know, some stuff happened. He can speak for that in the comments if you want. But yo, man, it's like, I'm sad that you know, your engine blew, but then again, it's like the people who are like, yeah, let me get them parts, man. Wow, that is so nice. Oh, this is what I have, the factory steering wheel. I really don't like this one because it's really skinny and it's like it's worn out, and the Acura emblem is worn out on the airbag. So time to move on. Well, let me show you how to install this, guys. It's pretty simple. Man, I'm super happy to finally get me a carbon fiber steering wheel. I'm not exactly sure where this is from. Man, I'm super thankful that I got this from Boosted UA7, my man Peterson, because dude, like, this is a piece from a car that, from a TL that's making almost 700 wheel horsepower. On the street, man, daily driven possibly. So dude, this is like awesome, man. Super sad you're parting out your TL and, you know, getting rid of it, but you know, I'm happy that you were able to put that on paper, man, and to show the world. And a super cool guy. Just, dude, I've never even met him in person, man. It's just, the guy's super cool, one of the nicest people you can deal with. And bro, I'm like trying to buy everything he's selling. That's another piece I get to put on my all-motor V6 TL, and I'm proud of it, man. All right, so first thing you want to do when you want to replace your steering wheel, since the steering wheel has an airbag in it, go ahead and undo your negative battery terminal, and I'm gonna go ahead and undo my positive battery terminal too. Believe it or not, guys, the airbag system does have capacitors in them. So if you were to get in an accident and the car shuts off, the capacitors hold battery voltage, So when the car does cut off, get in an accident, the airbag can still deploy and save your life. Look at this crusty steering wheel. Sheesh. It's definitely time to be replaced. Pop off this cover right here, and you gotta undo your airbag connector. All right, that's undone. And then you gotta undo the horn connector too. Just pull it apart, using one hand by the way. And then after that, you got to use a T30 Torx socket to get in there, guys. So and you get it out. One more on the other side. That's loose. Now the airbag will come off. Just like that, guys. Now you want to get a 14mm socket. Gonna go ahead and undo the connector here. Bam. Just like that. Can't wait. 14. Just like that. Actually, before I take it off, I'm gonna mark it right here. Just like that. Honda does want you to get a puller and special tool and pull this, pull that, but we're not gonna do that today. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do it. So right now it's super tight, so what I do is, and it comes out just like that. There you go, it's out. This is a clock spring. Make sure it stays where it's at. Do not move it. Make sure it stays where it's at, guys. This is the clock spring, so don't move it. Can put tape here so that way it doesn't, you know, turn, but I feel pretty confident this is not going to turn. Factory aftermarket carbon fiber. Yes, more carbon fiber piece I need. Do one of those. And line the marks up. This torques down to 29 foot-pounds. And put the connector in. I got my Matco 3/8 torque wrench here. Here's the part number right there if y'all want one. This thing torques anything down all the way to 75 foot-pounds. Man, is it me or he put some cologne on here? Dang. Hey, I don't mind riding around with the smelling good steering wheel, but my old one stinks. I ain't shit. I'd rather smell this thing. So both of your SRS stuff and your horn connectors is going to be on the left side. Oh man. So I did put back both of the airbag screws on, and I left it on seat number 1 that's glowing on my gun, and I just left it on that. I forgot what these torque down to, probably like 12 foot-pounds or something, but that's good enough for me. Here's the horn, and that's it. All done. Wow, that looks freaking cool. Battery back in. Ooh, carbon fiber looking good, man. Let's go on a little test drive. Gotta go to the... Dang it. Come on. Bro, this steering wheel is so nice, man. Wow. Like the grip, it feels amazing, because the Type S steering wheel is really skinny and it's really gotta grip it, whereas this is like way more aggressive. So I think I did I gotta pull the steering wheel back out again and turn it one tooth and then put it back in. But other than that, man, it's freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh man, oh my goodness, this is nice. Way better than the old one. It feels so smooth. Looks like I got a brand new car, man. What are you doing, UPS guy? Oh man, yo, appreciate it big time, Peterson. Thank you so much, bro. This is just nice. Did check it out, everything works. The lights, channel, volume, cruise control works, everything is working, guys. I don't have the Bluetooth on here, so don't worry about it. Man, this thing is so nice. Y'all stay tuned. I got more stuff coming from Boosted UA7. Follow him on Instagram. Yo, his name might change on there. Like, it's gonna be like M3. A lot of people has moved on from the 4th gen and 3rd gen TL and moved on to something else better. And I think he's gonna get him a BMW. I don't know. I don't want to spoil it for y'all. I probably already did. Oh man, this thing is nice, guys. Definitely the platform I've been wanting to get. It's pretty much there where I want it. Looking for some splitters right now, headlights, carbon fiber hood, a few more things, guys. It's so cool. I can look into the driver's seat now and look at carbon fiber. Dude, that just changes everything. Oh my gosh. And I like how the battery was dead earlier, so all I had to do was just, you know, push start it, you know what I mean? And super happy with how everything is coming. Car is super clean. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, guys. And make sure you like, man, subscribe if you guys haven't, and comment down below what y'all think, guys. And I did polish up my headlights, so it looks a bit cleaner. So, oh, I want to change the grill up too, man. I'm gonna see y'all next video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe if y'all haven't, and I'm gonna see y'all next time.